Welcome. In front of me is a NEFFOS X9, and today I will show you how to clear credentials on the device. So jumping straight through it, you want to open up settings. Then let's navigate down to screen lock, fingerprint, and security. Then also all the way down to more security settings. And then scroll down. And you have right here, clear credentials. Tap on it, then confirm it by tapping on OK. Remove all credentials. Now, if you have some kind of passcode, as you can see, you need to confirm it. I do have it, so let me put it in. And at the bottom, you have credentials have been cleared, cool. And basically the process is finished. So that is how you would clear credentials. And if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.